What's going on? It's Suck and I'm back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech. Now in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this, along with these two, that one and, oh, that one, and I think we're missing one. Oh, there it is. So we'll be unboxing 5 AirPods Max. Now, these AirPods, of course, do cost quite a lot of money. We're talking about £2,500 in excess. We're talking about a lot of money here, especially for a channel that hasn't got any more than 4,000 subscribers. So yes, we are on the path to 5,000 subscribers, and if you are new around here, then I must ask you to hit the subscribe button, clicking the bell to be notified of when those videos go live. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So let's start by opening the blue coloured AirPods Max. Now you can see that there is a plastic pull tab on the packaging, and pulling away this and removing it, we get to lift the lid, and the first thing that we can see in typical Apple fashion is the AirPods Max themselves, which are in their protective case and further wrapped in a waxy paper to protect itself from any scuffs or scratches whilst it's being shipped. And once you take the AirPods Max out of their case, you'll also find that the ear cups themselves have additional packaging. The AirPods Max do have some weight to them, and I feel as though they could potentially become slightly uncomfortable, especially when it comes to extended periods with them on your head. There is a mesh-like fabric which could help distribute the weight of them evenly, but I'll talk about that and how effective they are when I go through reviewing them at a later stage. There is a fair bit of movement and articulation to each ear cup, which once again should further help with the comfort levels, especially when using them for extended periods. There is also a Lightning to USB-C cable that comes included, as with other AirPods. These AirPods Max do charge using a Lightning port, which can be found in the right ear cup, which if you are in the Apple ecosystem is a plus, but if you are looking to use them on any other devices, then you may find yourselves having issues carrying an additional cable. There is also some paperwork that comes included, which does go over firstly how to set up and pair the AirPods Max to your devices, and there is also some safety and handling information, regulatory details, and further information on your 1-year Apple limited warranty. Sadly, there are no Apple stickers, which I do think is a missed opportunity considering the fact that we now have iMac models in all of these colours that do come with colour matched Apple stickers. And then we have the same but for the other 4 colours. So let me know if you have actually had a chance to try them on in an Apple store, as I do think they sound fairly decent, but you know, for the price, you'll have to wait for my full review. So if you do want to watch that review, then be sure to subscribe clicking the bell icon to be notified of when that goes live. As always, links to my social media are on screen and can be found down below in the video description. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and have a good one.